Alright, what's up guys? Today we are still in beautiful Florida. We are getting ready to do a easy pull clutch lever install. This is from Impaktech. So basically that easy pull clutch lever, this is their 3-inch or 4-inch. I know it's not their long one, it is their short. Basically it helps you to use one finger to grab the clutch, keep your hand nice and tight on that grip when you're coming up for wheelies. We're going to be doing it on my wife Sydney's 2020 Honda Grom, but I mean this is pretty much for every motorcycle out there. I talked to Impaktech before installing this. We were in contact for just some Grom stuff, and they let me in on a couple little things when doing the install, so I'll explain that while I get it on the bike. You're gonna see I've already got the clutch cable disconnected from the stock clutch lever, along with your clutch switch. That's already disconnected on this bike too. So I am going to turn the camera to the bike and get started. This shouldn't take very long, maybe 5-10 minutes at the max. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first thing first, if you're working on a Grom and not a different bike, sports bike, whatever, naked bike, Grom specifically, you're gonna have to take off these 8 mils. Like I said, you gotta disconnect your clutch switch over here, and your clutch cable from your stock. So we're just gonna hit this with the drill. Take it off, move it to the side, away from everything. You have the Impaktech clutch lever, really nice build actually. So a couple little notes on this guy. When you're installing, just make sure that you have enough room to slide the clutch cable in here, and then through the pass-through, you'll twist it to lock it in. When you are twisting it and you're adjusting your clutch lever, basically you want this to be as far down as possible. I spoke with Impaktech themselves, and that was their suggestion. And basically it just makes less stress on your cable. So you have, when you're adjusting, and if you adjust it this too far out, it's going to create more of a bend angle on that cable, and can cause stress, can cause it to break, things like that. Also, something good to note is, since you do have this all undone, just do a quick cleaning, lube, whatever you got. If you have WD-40, sure, use it, but I use white lithium grease or clutch cable lube with a Motion Pro little attachment that goes here, and you can pass through back and forth as you adjust. So we're gonna undo these bolts right here, which are 4mm hex bits, which mine fell and has disappeared. There we go. So again, 4mm hex bolts. I'm just gonna undo those guys. They have locking nuts on the bottom, so make sure those don't fall out. I'm going to use my handy dandy DeWalt little impact gun to get that done, and just do it a nice little loosen. Alright. So you want to make sure those self-locking nuts don't fall out. We're going to position our clutch lever and just get it on for now, and then we'll get everything squared away once we find a position that we like. Give this a quick spin. Okay, you're gonna see it's still loose. It's not completely tightened down yet. I'm gonna get my clutch lever, or my clutch cable, put on and in the right place. So the little plastic piece is going to go right in here, and then just like that. Again, a little pass through, make sure it's all aligned, and then we'll do a clutch adjustment once it is down at the bottom. So yeah, way too much. For this guy, I'm not going to do this on camera. You can snip it, twist them together, wrap electrical tape, do whatever you want. I'm going to end up actually changing this out for a thinner piece. So I'll be cutting and soldering down below. You can cut and solder up here as well. But for now, I'm just going to touch these two together, electrical tape them while I wait for our new hand control signal guy to come in, and just get this where I think she's going to be comfortable, but I know I'm going to probably have to make adjustments. But there, looks good. So just tighten these nice and even. These are 7/8 inch SD bars, DLX, or I'm sorry, KLX DRZ 110 bars that are on Sydney's Grom. Same exact bars that I am running on my Grom, the blue one. So we are going to do a clutch adjustment now over at the motors, or on the clutch side, and we're going to leave this right here so you guys can see. I'll move the camera a little bit closer, and you can check out all of that good stuff. So again, nice and tight, it's in there. You can see underneath everything, and then I'm gonna move over there and we'll get a clutch adjustment going. Alright, so the clutch cable on Sydney's bike's already loose because we loosened it for that guy. I'm just going to basically, when I have tension on the clutch lever, and then I'll start making adjustments. So I'm going to jump up top, pull the clutch lever in, see how it feels, and make adjustments from there. So it definitely needs a little bit more. So what we'll do is loosen up one of the jam nuts, and so we're loosening this guy, giving it more slack, locking it in so it can't fall back down. Sorry for the wind, but I'm not home in my garage, so I gotta work with what we've got here. And I'm gonna just, you want about 1/8 of an inch of play, so that's right before that clutch lever starts popping. If you can see that, and the camera is focusing. So yeah. And then just to lock it down, use the 14 on the big side, 12 on the little side, and it should be good from there.